Yes, my name is Christian. You have to turn on a hedge trimmer.
Specifically,
and
which
use
one?
It. This is a Shindawa hedge trimmer, and use it. So first step is, First step is you're gonna want to push this fuel bulb. It's at least 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Doesn't mean. You want to have this latch on the choke side. The choke side is a line where it's kind of diagonal. It's for a cold start. And when you turn it on, you want to make sure this button is not on the stop side. It's on the other side. And so what you want to do is just crank it a couple times. Then you want to switch it to the run side and just turn on. Today we're going to be cutting this hedge over here. What you want to do is want to shape the hedge trimmer with the strap. Best if you go from the bottom to the top. That's good for now. Just for a basic
nice
trim.
And trimmed, and then you just clean up the bottom and all.
Yeah.
Drop the ball, buddy. Drop it. Buddy, drop it. Shy. Drop it. Ready, buddy? Thank you guys for watching.
Thank you so
Don't
much.
forget to like and
comment,
subscribe.
and
Let us know if you have any other questions.
or any tips or anything like that. Just let us know in the comments down below.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.